What's up? It's turning into be a beautiful evening here in East Tennessee. It's about 7:30 and I'm here at this pond right here. I'm gonna do a little bit of fishing. All right. We're going old school with a little Zebco reel today. Let's see what we catch. This is actually my work here, so they let us fish here. They got some nice fish in this pond. It's only about 4 feet deep, so I'm just using a little grub with no split shot or anything. Just trying to catch some nice little bass. There's tons of bass in here. I usually bite on this. That's a little bluegill. What is that? Oh, it's one of those. He jumped up there and went. See that? Get a better angle here. Look at that little guy. He's gonna flip out of my hands. All right, there you go. All right, let's catch us a bass. This pond has some giant bass in it. I'll probably do a video here again with some heavier tackle over there in the corner over there. I caught one the other day. It was one of the biggest ones I've ever caught. It was 8 pounds plus. I could probably fit 2 of my fists in its mouth. It was just ginormous. But there are a ton in here, around 4 pounds. Maybe if we're lucky, I might catch one today. So yeah, like I said, this is a Zebco Walmart special. It was I think $24, and then they had them on clearance for like $20 or $15. So I figure it'd be kind of nostalgic picking up one of these. And all right. Something. Yeah, here we go. What we got here? Ah, little bass. Come here. Come here, little bassy. Little bassy. Little bassy. Oh, come on now. Let me get that hook. Open your mouth. Let me get that hook out. There we go. All right, look at that beautiful little tiny. Get you back in the water. Let you go real easy. There you go. All right. Let's catch another one. Oh, that's a good spot. See if we catch one across through here. I think that was bottom. It says real shallow here. We'll cast back this way. It's funny, sometimes you could catch fish going the other way like that. Ah, come on now. That was just a tiny one, but he tried to pull that grub off there, didn't he? All right. Oh, this is what I'm using. Just a little tiny grub, little head on there. Fairly small hook, not too small. All right. There was a good cast. Come on, bite it. Oh, here we go. Yeah. He took a bite. Oh, jumper. He took a bite of that at first. I think this is that other one's brother. Let's see what we got here. It's a little tiny one. Oh, see? You're better than your brother. At least you open your mouth for me. Get that hook out of there. Come on. I'll have to get my pliers out. Oh, oh. Come on now. There it is. Look at that little pretty thing. Alright, let's put you back. Alright. Let's see how many we can catch today. Small ones, but I mean, I don't have big tackle on here. Sometimes big ones will bite this small stuff. When you least expect it, that's when they bite. All I got is 4-pound test on here with this little ultralight 2-piece Zebco rod and reel combo. Oh, I got a bite. Oh, yeah. There we go. What we got here? Another jumper. Woo! Oh, no, 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 no. Don't get all tangled up in that stuff. Come here. These things are fun to catch. Come on now. Let's get the hook out of it. There you go. So, he just went. There we go. Here we go, buddy. Get bigger. There we go. Yeah. Nice one. It's not as big as the other ones. And all these things are jumping. Woo! Is this the same fish? Oh, jeez. You got it. There you go. Oh, get on another one. 2 in a row. Oh, he's fighting. He's fighting me. Little bluegill. Come on. Get you shaking around. Now don't put your fins in me. Nice little fish. See if we get 3 in a row. Nope, just 2 in a row. Go out a little deeper there. Ooh, I hit something. I don't even think it was like it was turned around or something. There's some pretty big catfish in here too. Sometimes your lure will hit a catfish and they'll turn around and bite whatever it is. Especially along this side right here. Might be able to get one. I don't know, I don't really want to catch a catfish, but I might have just caught one. You can always tell the catfish because they don't really want to come up, but this is a bass. Nice little bass. That's the biggest one yet. No, hadn't been too many big. Well, no, it's about the same size as one of those. All right, come here. See if I can do this without falling in. Come here. Come here. Oh. Hey, calm down. You guys are, this hook on this thing is, there we go, finally. Small little bass, but he's nice. Let's put him back in here. There we go. Alright, last cast. I'll call it today. Folks, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you like this video. I've got tons of other, or not a ton, but I'm just starting to do some fishing videos, so I'll be having lots more come, so make sure to subscribe if you like this. Thanks for watching.